Hey guys again, so today I'm gonna be continuing on. We're gonna finish the index file today. So today I have all the files I need today. So I'll just show you the image of the logo as I was talking about before. So this is the image of the logo. Big, 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 biggie, 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 big. Okay, so we don't need to be seeing images in this file. So don't need to be seeing images today. So that's enough. So let's continue on with our lesson. So the last code in our other lesson was div class equals post and so on, so on, so on. So we're going to skip a line, add a line, then this is going to be all in one line. So you know the way it's over like this? See, the 103 hasn't started yet, so it's basically in one line because I made the screen a bit smaller. So we're going to have the href equals hashtag, which basically means the link. So like I already explained before. Then the title equals hello world. You can change that into whatever you want. And then we're going to have width equals 300 pixels and height equals 168. And then the image source is going to be equal to images/2 minus 300 by 168 jpg. So I'll just show you that type of image. So yeah, this is the image. So you can change that to whatever image you want, by the way. Then next of all, we're going to have the class align left post image alt equals 2. So this is going to be the alt equals to 2. Then we're going to close it off. Then we're going to start off with, we're going to close off the A. Then we're going to have a header 2, header 2, class equals entry title. Then ahref equals hashtag, title equals hello world. You can change that again as usual. And then bookmark equals hello world. So whatever you think that you could change, just like add your own bit of creativity into it. Just don't like copy me and everything. So like add some creativity into it. So then we're gonna have the div class equals entry content, and then we're gonna have some. You can put dummy language in here for like here, or put like normal stuff in here. And by the way, so guys, you may say that why am I not showing this site? This is just all bad. As I said before, I'm not the best teacher. This way I do my own HTML videos. So next up I'm going to have class. So I'm just going to get rid of this because I don't really want to be going into different links all the time. So just change that into hashtag. You can put, but if you want to, you can either like buy a domain if you want, like for free host, or you can either get free hosting. You can get free hosting from 000webhost.com, which they have a few pop-up ads on it, but like you pay for what you're given. Like for me, I prefer to like pay for hosting because I used to be a cheapskate. You know, when I was like, oh no, I don't know what's gonna happen with my website. So guys, my website is temporarily down for this tutorial, but because we're fixing it up a bit. But like, anyways, just pray with me. So next of all, we're gonna have the end the post class, and then div, then type post and everything. So just make sure you type everything as every letter by letter, every word by word, every tag by tag. Oh, and I forgot to explain this. The information contained in the tags is called the elements. So just in case you said, oh, I didn't explain what an element was, but no, I just did. So no. Then we're gonna have ahref hashtag titles equals another post with everything. So you can change that to whatever you want. Just like use your mind, lose your imagination. Then 300 pixels. Then so this is basically the pixels of the image, and then this is going to be image again. So I don't think I need to show this image. So just try to make your images files as 300 pixels times 168. Like if you have a file that's like an image size that's like 1900 by 300, just go into picresizer.com, and then place your file in there. Then you can customize your size of your picture. Then now next we're gonna have alt equals 3. Oh yes, sorry, align left. So this is like gonna be aligning everything left. So and then they're gonna have post image. Then header to class equals entry title. Ahref equals hashtag. Then the title equals another post with everything in it. Then related equals bookmark, another post with everything. So you might think that, oh no, we're typing, but I assure you, I'm not typing the same thing all over and over again. I'm just taking like spaces so it can be a bit tidy for you to read. Then next of all, we're gonna have div class. Oh, I need to try that thing. Then bacon ipsum dollar sit. Then apm kill besser. Oh, sorry, I didn't even need to say that. Then this is mean like a paragraph, like it's gonna be like showing in a paragraph length. Like I'll explain in further into the tutorials. Then next of all, we're gonna have another one. I'll just be going slow. If I'm going too fast in this video, just tell me and I'll be going slow in the next video. Or if you prefer me to type it in, just like comment below, and then I'll be typing it in with you guys, so we'll be going at the same pace. But now I'm just short on time, and then I want to make everything fast. So let me sit on and start with my biggie talking now. The next of all, we're gonna have the A class, sorry. Then big read more. Then this is another link. I'm just going to take this away again. Because I don't want to. I might just go into a free hosting website for you guys at the very end. You guys can go into HostGator to purchase him hosting, but like everybody might know. People may be like young and their parents might say no. So I'll just be showing you guys what free web host. I think free web host is the best hosting provider, since you get your own domain and everything on the file manager. So I think that's really good, just to start off with, and you can like switch your website. So by the way, next of all, we're gonna close this off. Just another closing tag, div. Just want to do some typing for this, and then exclamation mark, then dash and dot post class. Then next of all, make sure you're typing everything again, as I said before. Just type it with me. You're not gonna see your website now, of course, but like, who cares? So we're gonna have div class equals, sorry, I made a mistake there. Sorry, that's not gonna have to. That's supposed to have 3, and I'm just gonna put a space. No wonder my browser this was shown in gray. So then we're gonna have post 61 typos, like this, like when you post up something. And if you actually, never mind. Let me just keep my mouth shut. Then ahref is hashtag an ordered list post. Change to whatever you want, title wherever you want, and again this is the 300 pixels by 168, and then this is the image. I provide all the files and all the typing and everything at the end of this web development thing. So at the end of all the parts, I'll be providing everything, because I don't want everybody to not get the hang of what you're typing. So like, maybe in one of the tutorials I explain what everything means, and it should have been in this, but it's too late. Now div class equals entry content. Then like this is a lot of gibberish again, so that's basically the same as that. Put dummy language in it if you want. Put posh, whatever you want. Put a different Asian language, African language, American language, European language. I don't really care. Just put whatever you want. A class equals big read more. Ahref. So this is the link again. So I don't want to be going into random links in this for you guys, because I want to, okay, you guys don't know, so I should be stop saying, And then we're gonna have the div end post class. Then this is the div class, by the way. So I'm gonna have this in. and then in the ahref, another one, we're gonna have another ahref. So like you could go copy up that if you don't want to like type everything, because it's like the same as simple text post. See, it's kind of like the same if you see. And then 300, 168, then it's gonna have the image file, then the header 2 you see, and then the a and the a. Align text as simple toast. Yep. The only difference is nothing. Next, maybe we can get some of the CSS done in here. Actually, yeah, we'll do some CSS for this video. Then we're gonna have the div class entry content. Then the paragraph. Then you type whatever you want in here in this container. Then next of all, we're gonna start the next one with an a class. Then big read more. Then ahref hashtag read article. You can say read news. You can say look at more stuff, look at new videos, whatever you want. I can make a music video later on, and if any of you want to like know how to upload videos, just like and subscribe. More content to come. Then div class is going to be the post, and the format is going to be standard entry category featured and everything like that. Whew. Oh, sorry guys. By the way, make sure everything is as smooth as it can be. This was just my other thing I'm working on. I'm working like on two stuff at the same time. So sorry about the school project. And so let's just continue with what we're doing. So and what do I need to type again? Oh yes, I remember now. Sorry about wasting your time on that. Then next of all, we're gonna have the ahref title equals hello world, image width equals 300, height equals 168, source image 6. Then the file name, then the align post image alt equals 6. Then the header 2 class, like the Mrs. means the header 1, like the bigger the header, the bigger, like the higher the number. Like if you said header 4, how can I explain, the bigger the text. So I'm just going to leave this with header 2. So if you wanted to make the text bigger, just change this into like 3, and then change that into 3, and then change it, or if you don't think that's big enough, then change it into 4, change that into 4. So yeah, and if you don't think the images are big enough, just change it into whatever pixels you want, and place it in there again. So width by height, length by width, whatever you do. Maths, I'm sure you guys know maths. Algebra. So we're not learning algebra today, so let's go. Next of all, we're gonna have div class equals entry content, then the same typing again, paragraph, then the div big read more, read article. And then next of all, so we're gonna just get a load of text for this one. So because I don't want to be like typing everything in, my hands gets a bit. And if I remember best, we just finished over here, I think, yes. Then we're gonna have the big read more, then the closing tag with the div. Then we'll open the tag with another div, then the class. Then after that, you put the ahref equals hashtag title equals hello world, and then image width equals 300 pixels. Then title equals hello world. Hello world, hello world, hello world. Div class equals entry content, bacon ipsum, and then read article. Then the post 51 post type that is published equals blah 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 blah. Then ahref equals hashtag title, a post with everything in it. What wise words to say. Then image width equals 300 pixels, height equals 168 pixels, source images 7, 300 by 1 blah blah blah. Class equals align, and then alt, just the alt and everything like that. Then they're gonna have the header 2 class entry title ahref, a post with everything in it. Related bookmark, a post with everything in it. In it. Are you from in it? Oh, that video's class. And then we're gonna have div class entry content, then type in whatever you want into it, and then read article, div post class, div post 49, post type, post publish format, entry category, features category, uncategorized, tag 2, tag 2, tag 5, tag 7, entry for call, and first one third teaser first. Ahref title quotes time, this part, this page is gonna have like loads of quotes, whatever you want to put into it. Just quotes time, quotes, famous quotes. I had a dream. Anyways, sorry. div class equals entry content, then the paragraph into it. Then we're gonna have big read more, href read article. Then we're gonna have the div class again. Then the post and all, and then ahref title equals left aligned image width. Sorry, my voice is kind of running out. Height equals 168. Source images /9 300 times 168 JPG. Sorry. Class like this, you can save as if you save your image as in the PNG, just PNG, and like if you save it as if it shows a JPG file, just have to click it to JPG. So if you want to see the name, like the file of your image, just click onto this, then it'll show at the very bottom, see, JPEG image, and then it'll show again PNG image, JPEG image, PNG image. So just to get that out. Whew. So this should be the last of our coding. So this is gonna be a lot. Ooh, a lot of code. Don't want to get nobody confused, so we're just gonna start from 174. And then we're gonna have the div class entry content, then the load the gibberish again, then big read more, href equals hashtag read article. By the way, I kind of edited some of this so like it be more advanced. And then div class equals post 45, post type blah 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 blah, and then another text only post. Then height equals 168 pixels, and then another text only, then bookmark another text only. You can change any of this if you want. Then div class equals entry content, then load. You can go to dummy text generator if you just don't want to be like typing all this in. Just like go into a dummy text generator. I could go into it for you now. That was just for the test. That's the website I'm gonna be showing you later on in the other video. So this is gonna be dummy text generator. So you can just copy all this in and then paste onto where it shows all of this stuff. Bacon, Ipsum, dollar is it, and then just change it in if you want. In fact, let me change it in. Kind of getting bored of seeing all this. Oh my days! Damn! What just happened? Don't tell me my code is gone. Oh, sorry guys, I don't know what just happened there. Something just happened. Something weird. Oh my days. What just happened? I think I copied my code like 100 times. Oh, I know. When I was trying to paste in the code, I copied all my code beforehand. So just get rid of all this. So sorry about that. Don't worry. No need to worry. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I told you not to worry. So I know where we were. I knew where we were. So I just go into over here. Let me just forget about the dummy text generator. So big read more href. Hashtag read article. Then this is going to be the story. Then welcome to big, and then all this. So this is going to be a load of links. I suggest that you just copy all these in for now. So it's like this is just short up a link again, and then href welcome to, and everything like that. Hashtag div id equals recent stories. You know what I mean? div class playlist. Then stories table. Then the link ahref equals hashtag welcome to big. And again, we're going to be typing this again. And then we're going to have a simple post with text. So just have all these in and then copy and paste them. Copy and paste them. So next of all, we're going to go down and then we're going to have the div again and the end hashtag content sidebar wrap. Then they're going to have the closing tag for the div and the closing tag for the div again. And I'm going to have the big footer. So this is going to have like all the widgets inside it contained into it. So we're going to have the divd class equals text2 class equals widget text2 div widgets wrap header 4. See, as you can see, this is going to be way bigger than the header 2. So we're going to have the company you can, instead of the typing company, you can like place it with like candy stuff, recipes, cooking, sports, whatever you want. And then next of all, we're going to have the about jobs, contact terms, privacy. Then we're going to do the div closing tag and then div closing tag. Then the class equals div id equals text3. Then the class equals widget underscore text. And then we're going to have the div class equals widget wrap closing tag and then header 4 widget title. Sorry. And then they're going to have the div closing tag, div closing tag, div closing tag, div class for call, div id text dash 4 class equals widget underscore text, div class equals widget wrap, then thing, then header 4 class equals widget title. Then we're going to have to subscribe to the newsletter. By the way, if you don't know what's happening, just like, go with the flow. Go with the flow anyways. Then this is just for the paragraph. Then we're gonna have the div, open another div again. Whew, I think it sounds like one of those people in there. What do they call those places? Auctions. But I'm like, blah, 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 blah. Anyway. Then we're gonna have the inputs type equals text placeholder. Enter your email address. Name, email, form. So the class is a form field because like they're filling out a form, so it's going to be a form field. And option auto time anywhere with one click will never share. Legless. Paragraph closed, so that's going to be closed since we opened the overdrive. Then we're going to have two closing divs together, then one under it. Then I'm going to have the div class for call last. Div id equals text 5 class widget underscore text. Then we're going to have the widget wrap, wrapping everything up, and the widget title. Then I'm going to have free download, the text widget, big is a completely free website, and start tinkering right away, like I just did for you guys, and explaining you guys how to, use it. Just going to take that away, because don't want nobody, cheating. Then we're going to have photo copyright clear. Then put a copyright year 2000 and change that to 15 because we're in a new year. It's a new time, it's a new year, it's a new year, and I'll be a girl. Hey, go. So just change that to hashtag. And then end of wrap. Whoo! And div body HTML. So that's all the body tag. All the body, since if you guys were like going on with the video, that's all the body completed. And then this is the HTML tag that's closed. You may wonder where that came from. And by the way, in the very start of the video, if it shows HTML and we did not close over there, so that's where it's closed, because we need to tell our browser that all of this inside of this is containing HTML. Now we're gonna save this file. Ooh, what happened there? Ooh, what's happening? I don't know what's happening. Ooh, what's happening? Unable. Anyways, you guys should be able to save your file. So that's all for today, and I'll fix that problem now.